Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. How lovely to see you. I hope you are all thriving and looking forward to the magic that is going to be, as we all hope, 2022. I hope you've had a wonderful year last year and you handled all the stresses and strains as best you could, and that you're feeling in a good place to start this new year off. So first of all, Happy New Year. And then what I want to do is to suggest to you three things that I can do at the moment that will help you to achieve your goals this year, that are going to help you to move further along the line in progressing and help you get there faster and move further, quicker. That's the kind of training that I like to do. So the first thing is this. Most of you know by now that on my website, nickdunning.com, I offer a free 30-minute coaching call. And what we can do on those calls, we can talk about anything you like. Sometimes it's about guidance, sometimes it's about suggestions, sometimes it's about, well, what often happens is that people come up with things like, I'm stuck in theatre and I want to move into television. Sometimes people say, I'm stuck in television, I want to move into film. Sometimes people say, I haven't got an agent, or I have got an agent, I want to change my agent. Whatever the kind of thing is that whatever is troubling you, whatever those difficulties are, there are actors out there now who are thriving. And I want you to become one of those. They are what I call the next generation A-list actors. So I look forward to working with you on that. The second thing is sometimes people get a little bit stuck at the beginning of the year and they're not quite sure how they want to move on. And so one of the things I'm going to do is also to offer my quiz. There's a lovely little quiz which you can take. It's kind of fun, it's kind of interactive, and it's totally free. And there's lovely gifts that you get for joining. You get a free self-taping training course, and you get all sorts of goodies there. And a brand new book that I've written all for free. So you can head along to that, nickdunning.com quiz. Check that out. Third thing. Very good at maths, Nick. Well done. The third thing that I'm going to do is this. Every quarter, every 3 months, what I do is I do a particular process which really clears out everything that I've been thinking about from the previous year. And the reason I do this is because the way your brain works, it likes to store things up. It keeps you where you are. It likes to keep you safe and to keep you secure. The last thing it wants us to do is to start going out there, doing new things, right? And of course, we need that energy. We need that kind of, commitment. We need that drive to move on. But if we're carrying all the bags from last year, that, like these kind of old rubbish sacks of, the difficulties and the stresses and the strains with the agents and the, feelings about COVID and how that can make you feel. Because I know with so many of the people that I talk to, that the amount of difficulty that people have been, and I've had it myself. I've struggled with this. It's not easy, and somehow, if you're interested in finding ways to let go of all the things that have been kind of like holding you back in some way, and if you want to start this new year with a clean slate and the energy that that gives you in terms of the clarity in your mind, the openness in your heart, and the freedom that you feel in your body, I want to share this new transformational training. And it's completely free. And I'd love to know if you're interested in that. If that means anything to you, if it connects with you in some way, let me know in the comments. Just give me a yes in the comments. And if enough people say yes, I'll make the training. And what I want to do is to do it for free. So it's an incredibly powerful process, and it takes place for like an hour one day and an hour the next day. And over that time, you will release all the stuff that has been holding you back. So you will start this year with a tremendous new range of power, a new set of tools, and a new way of looking at things. You can use it yourself each quarter. You can use it every month. But it's an incredibly powerful process. And I'd love to share that with you. So hopefully you come along and join us for that. So speak to you soon and take care. All the very best. Look forward to working with you soon. Bye now.